Hello guys, review smartphone Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory, global version. Open box. Device in the blue color. Okay, in completion we have protected back cover. Look like this. Okay. And in completion we have micro USB cable and adapter for charging and key for SIM slot. Okay. Device on the back side double camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side display 5.8 inch 5.8 inch display. Okay. Talk speaker and front camera. On the left side slot. On the right side power key and volume keys. This slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Upside headphones jack. Downside micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Power key, volume key. Slot. Okay. Turn on device. Open settings, look. System, about phone, Mi A2 Lite version Android 8.1.0. Close this, open Geekbench 4. Geekbench 4. So Qualcomm Snapdragon 625, octa-core processor, CPU speed 2 GHz, Adreno 506, resolution Full HD+, display PPI. Look, results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Next test, Antutu benchmark results. Okay, good. And multi-touch test. Device support 10 touches. Open demanded game. Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Offline mode. And start game. Game load on the max graphic level. And works very good, without lags and glitches, good graphics. We can see this. Okay, close game and open next test. This camera test. Main camera 12 plus 5 megapixels and front camera 5 megapixels. I show photos on this camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.